Hello! In this video I show the calculator which converts the currencies. I demonstrate the following in this video. To enter euro exchange rate, press rate set and then press local. Let me show some examples. First I set that 1 euro is 7 in local currency. So how much is 100 euros? It's 700, of course. And how many euros is 100 in local currency? It's 14 and something. Let's see another example. This time 1 euro is 250 in local money. Let's calculate how much is 4 euros. This is easy, it is 1000. And how much is 100 in local currency in euros? It's only 40 cents. And now different example, where 1 euro is only 0.22 in local currency. So how much is 100 euros now? It's 22. And how many euros is 10 in local currency? The result is 45.45. And that is all in this video. If you found this content useful, feel free to support the channel by subscribing. Find more videos in the playlists on my channel. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.